Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be looking at the Flopsy Bunny 50p coin. This is a bunk version or BU or Brilliant Uncirculated, however you want to name it. But this is the second coin in the Beatrix Potter series for 2018. We've already seen the Peter Rabbit, and if you want to check out the variants from 2016 and 2017, then go and check out those videos after you've watched this one. But let's get into this one. So if you purchase this from the Royal Mint or this version from Westminster Collection, this is how it would arrive in the classic hang bag, front and back. And now what I'm going to do is just open up my packaging, as I do with all of my coins, so that I can show you what is inside. You never have to open yours, but you can see exactly what is going on inside the packaging. So with the packaging off there, that is the front and the back, which we'll get onto in more detail in a minute. But what I'm going to do just by here now is the usual thing where I leave it long enough on each section of the card so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. You can check out the illustrations there also. And then always on these carded bunk versions, this is the part I like the most. It's just the plain part at the back with the image. I think that's really clever. And again, just back around. Okay, so here we go. There is the obverse of the coin. You can just see how great the finish there on that coin is. Stunning. And now let's have a look at the reverse of the coin and check out the design. So it's quite simple. Trying to get it best in the light. There we go. It's quite a simple design, but I really like it. It's probably my favourite one of 2018 so far, but the mouse, that's the one I think I'm looking forward to most. But yeah, let's have a look now at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is cupronickel. The weight is 8.00 grams. The diameter is 27.30 millimeter. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jodie Clark. And then the reverse designer is Emma Noble. And there's a little bit more information there that you can pause on and read at your own pace. But yeah, I'm a big fan of this series. I mean, I've given up on the silver proofs, but I'm always going to buy the bunk versions. They're £10 each. You can get a different version from Westminster Collection. Go and check those out. They don't come in this packaging, but they're still stunning. Great collection to just keep on collecting and add them to your date run as and when you find them in circulation. But yeah, let me know if you're going to get this. Let me know if you're carrying on with the silver proof or if you've just had enough of the silver proof and how much they're going up, not only in money, but also in how many they're minting each year. But leave a comment below. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.